We're back with more YTPs, YouTube. Poop starting with Spinge Bill's psychotic cyanide rampage.
Are you ready, motherfuckers?
What? You ain't ready for Spinge Bill?
I hate this.
I can't hear you.
He can't hear you. Oh! Really?
Horse under the sea.
See?
Horse under the sea.
Horse? Really? Oh, that gotta hurt. Cancel by Twitter.
What are those Neanderthals up to?
Come on!
Please, fuck off. Next.
Damn.
Hi,
Damn.
Squidward! I want you to meet my new buddy.
This
Whoa.
bubble is your buddy? Well, he's gay. I'm not taking an order for a... Sure you are! I'll pay you...
Whoa! Yeah, there's a lot of censoring.
I take your life.
Crab patty, double patty, small patty. He'll just have one small patty.
Squidward, show our best customer. Show our best customer to his table. Squidward, show our best customer to his table.
Oh, he said stable the table. Go! What are you doing?
Bubble Buddy's thirsty.
Where are they chairs at? I didn't realize
How about a
that.
fine glass of our finest...
Sounds great.
Yo!
Here's your haircut, sir.
Huh? What's that? Bubble Buddy says it tastes like... What do you think?
Mr. Abs.
The crazy... Yo. Squidward hated working there, but he stayed for so long. Go do something else.
There was a whole grocery store he could have worked
There's
at.
a whole city.
The customer.
Bubble Buddy likes Bendy.
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 Yeah, Bendy.
That guy is so weird, bro.
Here we go. One of everything.
Oh no, Squidward, wait!
Why the
There's
cheese ain't
these
melted?
patties.
How about you
Oh.
take these patties and your f***ing ass? Oh, silly Millie. How about you die, you shit?
What do you say?
Bro, calm down. Why are you so angry?
Squidward, he's in
Michael,
Hey, man. Get over it.
orange.
We're reviving YTP. Twitter's busting down the door. Damn. Aaron's a hater. Aaron's a hater. He don't want to revive the YTP.
some
School.
should stay dead.
It should stay dead.
Yeah.
Or too damn bad.
Well, like, did this even do okay on the channel?
Yes.
You have a problem.
No, you have a problem.
You have a problem.
Get over it, buddy.
You know what? That's why me and these other channels, we're gonna leave you high, guy.
Class, quiet, quiet. Please, quiet. Get off your pens and get out your pens and in my ass.
Whoa!
Everyone must not in my ass.
Did you hear that?
No less than 800 in the
Whoa. No less than 800. Damn.
Mr. Squarepants, I'm afraid you're under arrest.
That boy SpongeBob had a crazy life. Hey, yo!
I didn't do anything.
That boy Plankton was grinding up against that man.
Oh, really? What's that? Broke him out of that joint. This is crazy. No! That's insane!
This report.
Chet, you betcha.
Bro. Bro, what? He really was this bad of a driver, though. No cap. This might as well have been the real episode, because he was going crazy.
Look, a giant dick. Looking at your best life.
This ain't even Spinge Binge. This is Spinge Bill. It's a whole different series.
No less than 8 seconds.
Now I'm gonna go kill myself.
He got this.
Pretty soon those Zuby customers will be lining up.
Oh!
They are open.
Hey, do you sell food here?
That's crazy.
Sir, we
That's
sell
insane.
pills.
That thing is in food.
This is absurd.
The editing is crazy.
How do you explain all this success?
Look at him on the ground over there. Damn! 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 He worse than Dreamy Bull.
I don't care how much you want your line. You're gonna have to wait in the line like the rest of us.
Oh, that's what they was they selling the colored patties? Was
Yeah.
it? Yeah.
Here you go, sir.
Yeah, the colored patties. Them ones was hidden, boy. They had to be.
Mr. Krabs, the pills are a big hit.
And the crazy part, hey, Mr. Krabs is the perfect example. They don't believe in you till it's too late.
Yeah, till it's too damn
Sure
late.
are, boy. For old time's sake.
Mr. Krabs, what about the stand?
Okay. Okay. Oh!
Get this to
Whoa!
the crusty.
Whoa!
This is absurd.
Look, Patrick.
Goodbye, Bikini Bottom.
Ain't no way. They had a lot of editing to do.
Explosion. Ain't seen this 5 times.
The hell is Aaron? Wait a minute. Yo, what the heck are you doing? Nah, you wasn't shaking the bottle. I'm depressed. Depressed? Man, go to the computer. We just dropped new merch. How you depressed? Type in the website. Hurry up. I'm depressed, baby. Do you even know it? Yes. ShopInternetCity.com. There you go. We got the laugh more. We got the you matter. We got the more laughs, less sad. Laugh a little more. Hell, we still even got the Goku Vegeta Black, the Luffy Black, the Laughaholic V2. Stop touching me! Stop being depressed and get the merch. Buy it now. Okay. Hurry up. Hurry up.
This is the Lion thing. Yeah. Yes. Is that a sniper? No. Spherical. 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 It's too much calmness. It's been calm for too.
There. Now it's on.
Of course. What are the odds that it was a fucking SpongeBob thing right after the SpongeBob video?
Is this the heat? Is this the heat?
No! Yeeted him! Strike is crazy.
Nice throw. Made me want to go play the Wii for real.
Hey, we can run it.
Spherical. We can run it. You saying that like I want to cook you. Stop.
What?
Stop.
We can go to the.
Stop.
You know what? We taking this. That's what we doing today. We going to Yo Bowling Alley. We going to Yo
We not
Bowling
doing it.
Alley.
I got work to do.
No,
and I gotta hit the gym.
He running from the fade, y'all. Miska. Damn.
That's why that boy Mason was putting you through hell yesterday.
That's crazy.
Don't look at me that way.
He was fighting for his life, boy.
Drop him.
Why you little?
Why would you even put yourself in that situation? First of all, I'm not going in there with him.
Back on me, Scar.
Turn that.
Hairball is my son. Am I a cat?
Yes, yes, you are. But what do they take when they do these edits? It gotta be something crazy
Dad, come on.
to be able to get through this.
Wake up.
Get up!
That was loud, dude.
It was.
When we die, our bodies die.
Now you
Good
know.
morning, Zazu.
Good morning, sire.
Fire away.
That's crazy. That's.
Zazu, would you turn around?
Yes, sire. Oh, no, sire.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
Don't let your kids.
What is that from? What's that from?
That's it was the Nick show.
So creepy. Mega chin, mega face. Creepy, Huh? What you talking about? I said so creepy, mega chin, mega face.
Is his name Mega Chin?
No, I don't know. I wasn't
It was
saying
it was
name.
dastardly. His name was something stupid. Yeah, his name was.
Hey, Uncle Scar, when I'm king, what'll that make you?
A monkey's uncle.
Oh. Come on.
No!
Oh.
Hey, Nala. Hi, Simba. just heard about this great place. Simba, I'm kind of...
She can hear you.
It's time for yours.
The mom.
Okay. So where are we going? It better not be any place dumb. No, it's really dumb.
You going anyway?
Mom, can I go with Simba? What do you...
The fact they were brother and sister is insane.
Yeah.
And the fact that most lions just commit incest is insane.
Yeah.
You think, Sarabi?
Well,
Now, granted, of course, it's not like the natural construct of but the fact that they're functioning creatures is insane.
This is disgusting. Not zoo. So where are we really going? An elephant rave?
Really? Really? What is that? Wow.
Nice.
Just spamming the memes. Jesus Christ. I like the using another meme to break the fourth wall. I like it.
Shut up! Shut up!
I like it.
Shut up!
Wow.
You self-aware editor.
Oh, just
Never seen that before in my life.
seeds of romance blossoming in the savannah. Your parents will be killed.
Oh, damn. 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 Top saddest moment in really. Really.
What?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Scar, that boy's
Isn't it
alive.
great? We could get in big trouble. I know. There's only one way to know. Come on, let's go check it out. Look, Banana Beak is scared.
It's
He
Mr.
is.
Banana Beak to you.
Bro.
Danger. I walk on the
Oh, he was
wrong
on. Boy, not looking at that.
That's
That boy Simba was off one. Because that's crazy.
Oh.
I laugh
The elephant
in the face of
graveyard.
danger.
Woody Woodpecker.
I laugh in the face of danger.
Well,
And then got in danger.
what have we got here?
I don't know, Shenzi. What do you think, Ed?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside
Yes.
their head?
Yes.
All the time.
Yes.
Here, kitty.
What you gonna do? Weak ass roar.
That was it?
Thank you for the warning. Damn. How the hell? Straight through it?
Why would you do that?
That say 06.
minutes later.
You know, there's a theory that Zazu knew. Like, Zazu was like
In on
in
it.
cahoots, yeah.
That would be crazy.
Long live the king.
Just evil. It's evil. They really had us out there crying.
Meanwhile, in an alternate dimension.
Is that Rick and Morty?
No.
What the?
What the hell?
Peppa Pig.
What the hell? He should have fell on Cleveland's house. He should have fell on Cleveland's house. That would have ended it right there. What is this? Oh, this is turning red. YTP was turning blue.
I'm a furry.
Okay.
How about that hustle? Am I right?
Hell no.
Sad orangutan. Your second place spelling bee trophy.
What is this crack?
That's what it is,
Bro,
Aaron. That's what it is.
I'm
That's
losing
exactly
brain
what it
cells.
is. That's the point.
Little mama.
This is actually a good movie. Have you seen it?
No.
You see, all these little new, they've been really good. Turning Red and Canto, all the movies, they've been really good.
I'll listen to Mike. Mike's a dad. He's watching these with dad eyes now. You don't know shit about cinema. Okay.
No wonder May's such a
Bang that mug with that monster strength.
Put him to sleep.
Hey,
What the hell? Oh, and she was a hustler. She was hustling out here in these streets. She was really selling. She was OnlyFans before OnlyFans. Boy, I tell you, in real life. I like it. Short, sweet, to the point.